Hello fellow coaches. In today's video, FEAK co-founder Glenn Stuart is going to share with you a training system that he and I learned from legendary Bulgarian weightlifting coach Ivan Abadzhiev. Glenn and I attended seminars with Coach Ivan before he sadly passed away in 2017.
In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how I use FEAK's custom reps and custom intensity features to program a variation of the Bulgarian sport method. A bit of background: in the late 2000s, I attended some lectures with Ivan Abadzhiev in the States, where he spoke about his methods for weightlifting, but also about his methods and how they could be applied to other sports. So I utilised this with a long-term client of mine, current All Black, that was asked to move from the outside backs into the midfield, where he needed a different set of physical qualities to be able to make that shift. A few qualifiers for this type of program: it's an advanced program, so it needs a high level of competency with the lifts. You need to be structurally balanced, no current injuries, and also it must be coached. It's not suitable for a remote client. You need to figure out a max for each of these lifts and then the percentages and the reps that are associated with it. So much better to be coached in person. So I look at the program. It's very simple. You don't need to worry about assistance lifts. Even with the 3 lifts per day, it's going to take an hour and a half if you're really on point with your rests. So how I've programmed it is the custom reps and intensity match up. Set 1 is your max. Now, as I said before, I use a technical max. If I see a really sort of flaw in the lifting that where we didn't get a max, I might have another couple of goes at it, but generally I won't push them set after set, missing lifts. Usually one really good lift where I don't think they'll get another good rep, and then we're on to using the percentages based off that day. So on day 1, you can see with the power clean, we reach a technical max, let's say it's 100 kilo, and then we do a couple of sets of doubles and then 3 triples at 90% for the doubles, 85% for the triples, and then we move on to the next exercises. So in this case, it's a back squat. We had a single, 100 kilo, and then 3 sets of 3 at 85%. Most of the program has technical maxes on all the lifts. Later in the week, there's a few lifts where we use the max from earlier in the week. But in general, you'll quickly work up to a max and the percentages off that. Very easy to program with FEAK, being able to accurately prescribe both the reps and the intensity, and then get the tonnage and all the information you need out of the other end.
Here we are inside the FEAK app, where Coach Glenn has assigned the Bulgarian Training System program to my account. This is what the athlete will see when you assign a program to them. All the workout days will be listed here, and the athlete just goes go on the correct workout that he's supposed to do today. As you see in the workout summary screen, each exercise is there, and because Glenn used custom reps, all the sets will have different reps according to what he put for the custom reps in his training program. The athlete will go start, and here's what they will see. They fill in the weight for each set, and if they forget how many reps they're supposed to do, they just press View Custom, and the number of reps for each set will pop up, and the intensity as well, because you can see the intensity changes from set to set, because Glenn used the custom intensity function in FEAK, which allows you to change the intensity from set to set. When the athlete has finished, they click the green tick, and everything will be synced with your coach portal in the back end. You can see how well they did and check their data and their tonnages and all their metrics from there. There are a lot more things that FEAK can do that no other strength training software can. So if you'd like to cut 70% off your program design time while retaining all the details that elite athletes need, contact us and we'll set up a demo for you to try the FEAK strength training software. Thank you very much.